Welcome to the channel, guys. My name is Charlie. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. This is going to be a short and sweet video. I just wanted to take you guys on for a little ride. I'm headed to Cars and Coffee this beautiful Saturday morning here in Huntsville, Alabama, and we're just going to go check out some cool cars. I'm not going to talk pretty much at all. I just want to show you guys some cool cars. Let's get to it. Guys, thanks for sticking around this far. Like I said, if you're new, consider subscribing. I'm going to try and get some more videos of car meets and stuff to show you guys some of the local cars here in Huntsville. It was kind of a tiny turnout today, but we do have an awesome car community, so hopefully sometime we'll get some better footage of some cooler cars. But until then, see you guys. That never gets old.